Good morning, students. Once again, we are on the topic debit note and credit note. Previous video we have seen the meaning of debit note. Here we will be learning about credit note and all details, circumstances, and specimen of credit note. Right? First of all, meaning. So meaning is when we have already learned about debit note. Debit note is prepared at the time of purchase return of goods when we are expecting some credit from the supplier. Here the things are just opposite. When we are giving some credit to our customers for something, then credit note is prepared. The mainly there could be two reasons. One, when we get goods back from them, that is sales return to us, at that time we credit some amount to the account of customer. Second, when customer is returning some empty bags or containers and expecting some return from us, at that time we prepare credit note of that amount. Let us see the meaning. When the goods sold on credit are returned by customer, the proportionate amount for the returned goods is credited to the account of customer. A note sent to the customer confirming such credit is known as credit note. So when the customers are returning goods to us, we are sending them a note mentioning that because for your goods return we are crediting this much of amount to your account. Okay, so main reason is about goods. The other reason can be when they are returning some container or or empty bags, and we are crediting some amount to their account. So that also be the reason that you can also write in meaning. Details shown in credit note, the same details as we have seen in debit note. The name, address of customer who has returned the goods. Second, date and credit note number. Third, full particulars of goods returned, that means the detail of goods. Fourth, net amount of goods returned, whatever is the amount of goods we have received back, that amount of goods, that amount we will be writing. And then next is reason for preparing credit note or returning goods back. That reason we will be writing, that why we have prepared the credit note or why they have returned the goods. Okay, next one, circumstances of preparing credit note. There can be these four circumstances. Number one is when customer return goods out of credit sales made. It's a very simple reason. Second, when the invoice sent for some more amount than the actual amount of goods. Sometimes what happens, we are sending invoice which is of more amount than the actual amount, and this can be possible by mistake. So at that time when it is informed by our customer that the invoice is of more amount than the actual goods, then we come to know about this and we send the credit note that for that much mistake we are that difference amount we are crediting to your account. Difference of what? Difference of the actual goods sold and the invoice prepared. Third, if more amount is debited to customer account due to error calculation at the time of accounting. Sometime customer's account is debited with more amount, right, due to an error. So we credit to his account or her account and we send him or her a credit note number, a credit note in which we mention the reason why your account was debited with more amount, now we are crediting it. And then if any type of rebate is given to customer, for example rebate for empty bags or containers written by customer, that we have discussed already, that if we are giving some credit for the empty bags or containers written by the customer. Next one, this is the specimen of credit note. Sri Shivam Traders of chocolate, 7 Shri Building, Navrangpura, Ahmedabad. Shri Patel Trading Company today received back 10 chocolate boxes of rupees 2000 each. Total amount 20,000. Shivam Traders, signature man. What it is about? It is about that we are sending goods, we have received goods. We mean Shivam Traders. See how to identify the voucher is prepared by whom? So to know that who has prepared the voucher, we have to see whose name is first. First here first name here is of Sri Shivam Traders. That is, Shivam Traders has prepared this voucher. Mentioning the name of Sri Patel Trading Company, that means they have mentioned here that from you we have received the goods of rupees 20,000, which whose detail is 2,000 each, 10 boxes of chocolate, 10 chocolate boxes of rupees 2,000 each. Okay, and then they will sign and they will send to the Patel Trading Company, right? So this will be a credit note for Shivam Traders. Okay, so this way credit note is prepared. Okay, thank you.